It is a wonderful thing to become older and wiser, but what troubles most people who are crossing the age of 40 is that they are unable to read small print like newspapers, magazines, or even medicine prescriptions at a close distance. Fortunately, there are different types of glasses available to treat this condition, which is called presbyopia. A simple reading glasses will help the person to read clearly at a close distance. The advantage being it gives a clear clarity of reading small print at a closer distance and also providing a wide field of vision. However, things that are placed at arm's length is not that clear when you are using reading glasses. And also, if someone comes at an opposite direction from a little far away, their face is not clear. So each time you have to remove your glasses and put it on to switch between distance and near portions. The advantage of bifocal lenses is that it has the power for both distance as well as near on the single glass. But the disadvantage is that it has a slight line of demarcation between the distance portion and the near portion, which may not be cosmetically acceptable by many. The progressive addition lenses, however, has the advantage of appearing like a single vision glass but has power for both distance, intermediate as well as near vision. The advantage is that the power gradually increases from top to bottom of the lens so that there is even and smooth transition of the power. This enables the person to see clearly not only at far and near but also at an arm's length and intermediate distance. This does not have the demarcation line so widely accepted cosmetically by many. The progressive lenses are made up of a sophisticated design which requires accurate measurements before they are dispensed onto your frame. The optician would measure the interpupillary distance, which is the distance between the two pupils, and also mark the center of the pupillary reflex so that it matches the line of sight of your eye. Many times errors can happen if only interpupillary distance are considered because it can result in decentration of the lenses. This is most commonly seen in people who order lenses online. If you are above the age of 40 and are experiencing difficulty in seeing small print at a close distance, meet your optometrist now, get your eyes examined, and also get to know the different types of progressive lenses that are now available at affordable budgets so that he or she can help you see better not only at near and far but also at the intermediate, most commonly used computer distance.